All right, I'm sure you've seen these. It's called a control joint. Why? It controls the patterns of cracking in your concrete. So this one did its job, it cracked, but then that made a place for water to run in, and when water runs below the slab, soil goes with it and that slab could settle. So this homeowner got smart and said, I'm gonna seal that crack. That's a good idea, but your big box store stuff isn't gonna do the trick. I found something. It's called Nexus Pro, and it's silicone based, and it'll last 10 to 20 years. That will seal this crack, keep water out, keep the soil from washing away, and keep your concrete level.